gingers are a group of plants which are very important for the fact that they have many bioactive molecules, having antioxidant properties, antiviral properties, etc. And at the Department of Life Sciences, Manipur University, there is a laboratory of Professor G.J. Sharma, who is my PhD mentor, as well as my senior research associates supervisor, mentor. So his lab is working on the different aspects of gingers, from inventory, then analysis of these biochemical properties, as well as antioxidant properties. So we have a good information, good background regarding different kinds of gingers, their potentials as bioresources. And moreover, I personally have discovered a new species of ginger, that is Gingiber Khonggunmelei pacens. And another Campharia marginata, it has been rediscovered from India after a lapse of 100 years. And I, along with Professor Sharma, as well as one of our junior colleagues, we all together published another important paper on ginger bioresources of Manipur. So, I have a good background in these plants belonging to family Gingiberaceae, and with the background informations, their biochemical regarding their biochemical properties, as well as their different aspects, traditional uses, etc. I conceptualize that if these three particular gingers, if they can be combined for the benefit of mankind in the form of a health drink, it can be very useful to us. So that was how it was conceptualized. I am a patient of this leukemia. I was diagnosed with AML way back in May 2017. Then I got my treatment at this TMC, Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai, where they had done chemotherapy, and later bone marrow transplant was done at Jaslov Hospital, Mumbai. So during those periods, I suffered a lot. It was a question of life and death, and during those times, I thought, I kept on thinking, when we have so much of the plant resources here which can avert or prevent from suffering from cancer or any other kind of disease, why can we utilize them for our protection? That was how I conceptualized about a health drink, which was primarily for prevention of this thing, cancer, different forms of cancer, as a health drink, as a nutraceutical. And since 2018 early part, I started working on this ginger beer and this ginger tea. So for about 1 year, I got the perfection of brewing ginger beer, having constant flavor, constant taste, like that, and this ginger tea also formulating the different the mixing proportion, etc., the testing its flavor, astringency, etc., color. During this 2020, India got hit by Covid-19, and now we are under lockdown. So I was thinking, if this ginger, three gingers, which is a herbal tea as well as this ginger beer, if it can be effective in treatment of the treatment as well as this prevention of COVID-19. Actually, it is not a curative drug which we formulated, but it is a nutraceutical. That means if you take it every day, then because of its immunomodulatory effect of the three gingers, it will no doubt increase our immunity. It will boost our immunity. And what we expect is something more than just immunity. because of the these bioactive molecules present in these three types of ginger. So it was how, like, I gave it to one doctor patient, COVID patient, who is a medical doctor, and he said that on the first day of taking this ginger tea, his cough and the related problems, they were controlled. So that was how I think it was conceptualized, and but we have to, I mean, keep further testing, even clinical trial also, to confirm whether this will be an effective nutraceutical product, herbal drink against COVID or cancer. Definitely, because this is a herbal drink, and we have to approach Ayush for doing this clinical trial, because I started inquiring one of my friend who is working in Mumbai in some pharmaceutical company. So he said in the allopathy sector it cannot be done, but it can be asked to the Ayush sector, like if they can do the clinical trial. So like if it is effective in the preliminary study, then clinical trial can be initiated. See, I initially worked as a scientist D at a DST Institute center somewhere in Manipur, but after working there for 2 years, I quit. And in the meantime, this Department of Biotechnology, they started their biotechnology ignition grant. So individual can apply for that. So I applied for, I mean, the setting up a tissue culture laboratory for my orchids, and the DBT granted it. BIREC granted it, and then that was how I was able to establish my own dream laboratory. And now we are sustaining, even though there are ups and downs, but somehow we can keep it, I mean, in working condition till today. We have been supported by BIREC, which is under DBT, Department of Biotechnology, and they are generous to provide us 2 projects. One is biotechnology ignition grant, and another is SHIBRI. So under these 2 projects, both are on orchids. So we are sustaining. We have been able to produce more than 150 different new hybrids. Of course, some are still not in flowering stage, but we have more than thousands. Thousands and thousands of, the new plants coming out of our laboratory. This is one achievement. But of late, because of my personal interest, I was trying in the food sector. So started working with our this ginger tea and ginger beer, which can have international importance. That is what we conceptualized. Yes, regarding chilies also, we have got a good this natural resource of chilies, like this our umoro, which others know it as bhut jolokia. So it is one of the hottest chili, but cultivation of it, there is certain, the problem, and if we can breed it with another wild type, that is one particular chili is there, which we call masinga, capsicum frutescens, and it is wild, and it can be grown healthily in wild. So if these 2 can be bred, then we can produce a new this hot chili having the lesser cultivation problem. That was how I worked out since 2006 on the breeding, and later on it was genetically stabilized, and that was how it was claimed that it is the hottest chili hybrid India has produced.
청와대 마하손 조사부기 마하손이 오래요 제 next MLA thằng chạy cái MLA lại MBC và thằng chạy cái nhưng là thằng lên cookie nó tôi mà khai tôi rồi thôi anh tôi cho cái Cây cây trồng rồi.